In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice mode in Claude AI. Whether you're new to this feature or just need a refresher, we're here to help you navigate through it smoothly and confidently. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Claude AI on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as you'll need access to the cloud to get started. Once you're in, go ahead and sign in if you haven't already. It's important to ensure that you're logged into your account, as this allows Claude AI to retrieve your preferences and settings, providing you with the best experience tailored just for you. Having signed in, you're now ready to start a new chat. Starting a fresh conversation is simple. Just look for the option to initiate a new chat and click on it. This sets the stage for your interaction with Claude, getting things ready behind the scenes so that all you need to focus on is your conversation. Now draw your attention to the bottom right corner of the chat box. In that corner, you'll see a variety of icons. Among them, you'll notice one that looks like a sound wave. This is your gateway to voice mode, a feature designed to make your communication with Claude even more seamless and natural. When you're ready, click on the sound wave icon to activate voice mode. This feature is excellent for those moments when you'd prefer to speak your thoughts instead of typing them out. With voice mode, you can enjoy a hands-free experience, allowing you to multitask or just relax while Claude takes care of the typing. Once you've clicked the icon, simply start speaking. There's no need to overthink it. Just talk as you would to a friend. Claude AI is designed to understand natural speech patterns, so feel free to explain your requests or ask questions just as you normally would. As you speak, Claude listens carefully and gets to work on understanding and processing your words. Almost instantly, you'll hear Claude responding to you with a voice reply. This interactive conversation makes it feel engaging and lively, and you might find it surprising how naturally the chat flows. Claude's responses aim to be as informative and helpful as possible, so don't hesitate to ask further questions or seek clarification as needed. Finally, once you decide to exit voice mode, all you need to do is click stop. This will end the voice mode feature and return you to the standard chat interface, where you can continue typing if preferred. And there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough on how to use voice mode in Claude AI. With a few simple steps, you've enhanced your interactive experience, making it more